mine.
Two. Hi there. Customers. I better get started. I always wanted to do this. Wait, which was it? Nope. Here we go.
You're hiding something. We will find out. Troopers!
Excellent advice.
Sir!
Have you found the Resistance spy, Lieutenant?
Not yet, sir, but we have established reconnaissance patrols throughout the entire outpost.
The spy was tracked here. And if she is here, the Resistance could be here. You were sent to find her. But you have failed.
Sir, we'll lead a team right away. Someone has information. I will get it.
No, Lieutenant. I will get it. You are dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Troopers.
Hope this doesn't affect me.
Looks like I'm losing altitude fast.
Sorry, folks. I'm sure I'll do better next time.
It was my first time, and I'm still getting used to my...
Mine.
Two. Hi there. Customers. I better get started. I always wanted to do this. Wait, which was it? Nope. Here we go. Hello, folks. I'm DJ Rex. This may be your first time here, and it's mine too. Let's get to cruising altitude with a tribute to a song that swept the galaxy.
I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy, pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in.